Kisho hoarders doing a very big mistake, my friends. If you are a hoarder of Kisho, so keep watch this video and be safe from loss. Absolutely, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Otherwise, you are in the loss if you do this mistake. Keep watch this video for more details and remember, my friends, if you listen my voice, so please I request everyone to please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel, thank you so much for subscribing. ABS Tech channel, hope you all subscribe. Thank you so much. Now my friends, first of all we discuss the latest price of the Kisho, latest update of the Kisho, and after that we discuss the mistake of hoarders doing at this time, my friends. So let's move on and let's start the video without waste any time, my friends. The currently and latest price of the Kisho in the market as zero, my friends, but that's not mean that the exact price of the Kisho is zero. That's mean that the price is very low. On the other side, if we look, the price changes occurs in the Kisho, so absolutely, my friends, from the last 1 week, from the last whole month, the price of the Kisho is going down. I'm very angry to Kisho. What's going on this time in the Kisho? The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week pricing is negative. Oh my goodness, what's going on in Kisho? Let's see, my friends, the price chart. Let's see. You can see here, my friends, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Kisho, but if you decide to sell Kisho, so that is the hardest mistake. My friends, I know you will not get loss from Kisho because in the start of this month the price is increased and the Kisho will take is taken huge pump. You can see it is in the start of month. So that is why the price change is still positive and you are in the profit, my friends, because in the start of month they take a jump, and now after 14 May 15 May the price is again fast down, my friends. And you know what, it is the end of month. In the last week from yesterday the price is very badly fast down. You know what, it is the end of month, and the end of month every cryptocurrency's price is fast down, my friends. Same like it, the Kisho price is also fast down. So don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell, my friends. I know if you decide to sell Kisho at this time, so you are in the profit, my friends. You can see here, because the price change occurred in the last 1 month is positive 1921.19%. So that means that the price change is positive, so you are in the profit, my friends. If you decide to hold, so absolutely you will get double profit. And my prediction about Kisho is that in the start of June, maybe they have a lot of chances to take a huge pump. That is why I recommend for everyone to don't decide to sell, and it's time to hold, my friends, because in the future big pump, huge pump of the Kisho are coming soon. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, my friends. Anyways, my friends, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research and also share your opinion and prediction in the comment box about Kisho. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.